So I've been playing around with OpenClaw for a while. It's really cool and interesting. But I think the biggest problem is that it costs a lot of token and therefore quite a bit of money. If you're running OpenClaw yourself, it can easily cost you 20 or 40 or 50 bucks a month. So today I'll be introducing a open source project called OpenClaw Zero Token. As the name suggests, it allows you to use OpenClaw for free. The underlying principle is pretty straightforward. Instead of using paid APIs, it uses your browser session. So what that means is when you're logged into a website like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Kimi, it captures that browser session and use that to enable OpenClaw. So in this video, I'll quickly show you how to do that. So the first thing first, just click on clone repo and go to GitHub, copy the URL and just paste it in here. Okay, once it's done, let's go back to GitHub page. So for this, we need node version higher than 22.12.0. We need PM higher than 900, and we need to have Chrome browser. After installing these, next you want to install all the dependencies. To do that, very simple. Just copy pnpm install into your terminal. And then you can build the project by copy and pasting this pnpm build into the terminal. Next, we can start running the onboard process. To do so, just copy and paste this command into the terminal. Okay, we start the onboarding process. First, we need to answer a few questions. The first question is, I understand this is personal by default and shared multi-user use requires lockdown. Continue, select yes. Then the second question, onboarding mode, select quick start. Next question, config handling, select use existing values. This is asking us to select a model provider. I have tested all of them, and I think surprisingly, the one works the best is QWEN. So just hit enter on this. And now it's going to ask you to log into your model. So just log in via Google and come back to the terminal. Here, for model provider, select all provider. And next, for default model, select keep current. And next, for channel, with a channel like WhatsApp, you can send yourself a WhatsApp message and that will trigger OpenClaw. So for me, I'll pick WhatsApp. Link WhatsApp now, select yes. And for this step, you just have to point your WhatsApp app to this QR code to link your WhatsApp account. Let me do this now. Okay, once it's linked, it's going to ask you to enter your number. This is my WhatsApp number specifically for OpenClaw. Press enter. And now search provider, you can skip this for now. For skills, you can leave it. And then the last question, enable hooks. Just skip for now. Gateway service already installed. Hit enter. The last question, how do you want to hatch your bot? You can select do this later. That's it. So what's happening right now is that OpenClaw Zero Token is using the browser session from Queen, and that will power OpenClaw. So this way you don't have to pay for token cost. Okay, now with the server up and running, let me show you this in action. So on the left-hand side, this is my WhatsApp account. So to trigger this server, just send yourself a message, something like OpenZillow, find a single family house for under $1 million in Orange County, hit enter. Okay, so as you can see here, Zillow is opened by the agent and it starts to filter for location and trying to find a house that is meeting our criteria. Okay, so that's the end of today's tutorial. Bear in mind, this project is constantly getting updated, so the installation process might be different. If you encounter any problem, don't hesitate to leave a comment below the video. See you next time.